Hello, hello, Carla Silver here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make bold and unusual fonts in your Facebook posts, and I've made it really easy to do, and I want to help you out here. If you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Carla Silver, and I help entrepreneurs build and automate their businesses online so they can level up, make more money, and most importantly, spend more time with the people they love most in their lives, and that means you. So again, I'm going to get to this in a second, but if you're watching this on Facebook, drop me an emoji below. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching this on my blog, give me a comment when you're finished watching and let me know if you receive value, because that is my goal, is to help you. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, and I'll show you how to do it really fast. So hold on a second. Let me get to sharing my screen. And here we go again. Application window. I'm just going to say, Be Live Host, Carla. Add to broadcast. There we go. Make me small. Okay, you should be seeing my Facebook screen at this point, and let me show you what I'm talking about. When you're marketing your business, you definitely want to be standing out. So here's what I'm going to show you how to do. I'm going to show you how to be able to put these different kinds of fonts into your Facebook posts. So first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is go to start a new post, and you're going to write your post. Write your post. Say something amazing. Make your call to, I guess that's hyphenated, to action. Okay, so now you have your post written. So when you are going to your, all you need to do is you need to go to a website, and it's got a crazy name. It's called a Unicode text converter, and it looks like this, and it is ugly. The URL is ugly. So what I've done is I've made a shortcut, carlasilver.com/Facebook fonts. If you go there, carlasilver.com/Facebook fonts, it will redirect you to this crazy named website, okay? And I'll put that in the crawler. So hold on a second. Crawler. Hey guys, hold on. There you go. Show. All right. If you guys would tell me that you can see my Facebook screen, that would be awesome. So you write your post, and then you highlight and copy what you want to change to bold or circles or whatever it is. And then you go over here and you paste it in, write your post, then you click show, and then you have all these different ways of different alternatives. So you can, all you need to do is copy one, copy it, go back to your Facebook page and paste. Then you have write your post. And then if you want to change something with, say, something amazing, you go back to this and you paste it in there, and you can copy. I'll show you what I'm doing. Copy and paste it in there. Say something amazing. Do the same thing again. Just copy what you want to change, paste it into there, show, and you can copy and paste that into there. There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All you have to do is, I made it super easy for you to go to carlasilver.com/Facebook fonts. There's no need for you to let me get this off. Hold on. There's no need for you to memorize that real gobbledygook URL. All you have to do is go to carlasilver.com/Facebook fonts. I've made a pretty, it's called a pretty link that redirects to that crazy URL, and then you can use this to make your Facebook fonts stand out. If I've given you no value, as I mentioned, Facebook, drop me an emoji. If you're watching this on YouTube, give me a comment, and if you're and subscribe. And if you're watching this on my blog, comment away. I look forward to serving you again in the future. See you in the next video. Bye, everybody.